Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome you all to another session of data analytics. So today we will be going ahead with another session of data analytics. So before that, let me just share my screen first. Just a moment. Okay, fine. Is my hopefully my screen is visible to all of you. So we will be starting our session now. So, before that, we will be just discussing about today's agenda. So, today we will be seeing with some of the data how we can perform, work with the data, and how we can visualize the data. So, we will be seeing that today in today's session. That is the main objective that we will be going for. Okay, so before going ahead, like yesterday, we have worked with this data set, and one like kind of function didn't work for us, right? So we will be just figuring out why it didn't work, and we'll try to see that portion once again. Okay, so we wanted to use the nested if function so that we can use that further. So let's take it in that way. So performance status we wanted to mention. Okay, fine. So I'm giving the name as performance state, and here basically we will be going ahead with the performance score, and we will be using the nested loop for it. Okay. So for that, we will be taking it accordingly. So we will be taking if condition here, like the if statement here. Here basically. Now we will be taking this. So this is J2. So now we will be taking greater or equal to 90. Then we are going with outstanding. Okay. Let's just remove this and take it to J2. This will also work, but basically I want to take it down to J2 because with the column, like with the name of the cell basically. If it is out, if this performance score is greater or equal to 90, then I'll be putting outstanding. Else, we will be going down with another if condition for us. There we will be again giving another condition that is again J2 if that is greater or equal to 80. In that case, we will be giving the name as very good, right? Now this is done. Now we will be going again with another if statement that will say if J2 is greater or equal to suppose 70, then we call it as good, else we call it as poor. Okay, and we'll close the parenthesis and we'll hit enter. So we have got it accordingly, right? We have got the values accordingly. So this is basically performance status. Okay, just a moment. Okay, why it is not taking? Just a moment. Yes, so I just want to drag it down for all. Okay, there is some issue, I guess. Let's just rewrite the entire thing because here is some issue that we are getting. So basically, we'll just delete it and accordingly we'll take it. Right? So it is going good accordingly. So this is our basically performance status that we are getting up here. Now, basically, what we wanted to understand from here, we wanted to get an if condition in that way that if we have like the score is around like this performance score is around greater than 90, then we will be getting the status that is very good, like outstanding basically. Sorry, if it is greater than 90, we will be getting outstanding. If that is like less than greater or equal to 90, then we will be getting outstanding. If that is greater or equal to 80, then we will be getting it as very good. If that is greater or equal to 70, we will get good. If that is like lesser than 70, we will be using poor. Okay, so this is what we have taken it for the nested if. This can be resolved like all like yesterday we are unable to do this. Like we have the logic was of course correct, but there was the issue with this parenthesis might be and also might be with the commas. So that is quite obvious. Many of us do face the same thing, but this is the correct form of doing. And going down further, we do have like similar kind of things to occur, right? So we need to handle it accordingly. Eventually, we can use the ifs also, IFS, to do it in a single go. So in that case, we don't have to write this if statement more than one. Here you can see I have used if for one, two, three times in total, right? But if we are using ifs, then just by writing one if condition for like the condition would be different, like different condition as we have put in the same different condition, but we don't have to put if for long. Only one if condition will work. Fine. This is the performance status. Now, as discussed, we will move down to the this data set, and now we will be figuring out how we can visualize the data. Okay, so this is my raw data. First, we will be just going down and understanding about it. And before understanding that as well, we need to format it. After formatting, we'll understand it, what is our data set, what it is saying, and what visualizations we can do it from here. Okay, so first let's just copy it down. Now Control T. So we got it accordingly. We'll just change it to this one and we'll just give a specific color to it. So this green color looks good. So here we will be just adjusting it. Yeah, looks good. Now for this one, I want the row height to increase to 23. That will work. And I'll just make it centrally aligned, and this one. Like I want everything in the middle, not in the bottom. Now coming down for them. Now that I also want centrally aligned, I and for all of them, I want the row height to be around 20. So now it looks good. Yes. So we have formatted the data accordingly. So now we need to look what our data actually has, right? So we have the date, the region, the salesperson, the product, the category, the unit sold, the unit price, the total sales, and the payment mode, right? So now we need to get some of the idea accordingly, right? So what they are giving and how we are taking it accordingly. So for this, we need to add some of the columns to do some of the better interpretation. So we have this date. So this has gone into general, but I want to put it down to date format. So I'll go down here. I'll go down to uh, date and time. So it has taken time, but I want date specifically. Short date will be fine. Yes, it has taken the date in general. Now we can, if we are clicking up here, you can see it is date. It is date way, right? Now, if we are going down, if I want to extract the day from here, how we can do that, we will see that. And also, if we want to take it to other level, how we can do it, right? So let's just insert a column up here, and I want to get the day specifically. So I'll give the name as day, like that. Now here I want to get the day from the date. So how I'll be doing? I'll be using equal to, I'll be using text, the normal thing. Now going down here, next comma, I want to get the date format. So D, closing the bracket, hitting enter. So we have got it accordingly. So this is Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Saturday again, Saturday, Thursday, Thursday, Saturday, Saturday, right? So now basically we want to check, like here you can say majority we are getting around Saturdays and some weekdays as well. So we will just segregate them into weekdays and weekend. Okay. So week specification, we can give the name of the column as week specification, right? We'll just adjust it accordingly. Now, what we need to do, we need to do it accordingly. So how we will be doing it? So we will be using either if and or, if we will be using, against it we will be using or. Now we have the condition if this is equal to Saturday, or if this is equal to Sunday, then I will just go ahead with weekdays. Just a minute. Saturday and Sunday, then we will take it as weekend, or else we will be taking it as weekdays. Sorry, weekdays. Fine, it looks good. Now we will close the bracket. So basically, we will be seeing what if and or we are using. If this date is Saturday, then we will be getting the output as weekend. Or if this is Sunday, then also we will be uh, getting this output as weekend. Else we will be getting weekdays, right? Let's hitting enter. We have got it accordingly. Weekend and weekdays accordingly, right? So we have the region, we have the salesperson, we have the product, we have the category, we have the unit sold, unit price, total sales, and the payment mode, right? Now, basically, we will be just validating if this total sales is going accordingly or not. So for that, we will be inserting a column and just keeping the column as check. Now here for the validation, we will be doing this. I'll be multiplying this with this. Okay, just a moment. Okay, let's write it up here. So here I'll just go this. I'll just multiply this with this, right? I'll hit enter. So I have got the value accordingly. So now we can just check over if this values and the value in the table that we have got, that is exact or not. So I'll just validate it if that is equal or not, because that is an important step to do to understand the data set. Because now we are still going with the understanding our data set. Right, so this looks fine. Every data is matching with this. So we have checked it. So now we will just delete this. Okay, delete the table column. Right? Yes. So now we have deleted it. We have got it accordingly. Right? This is fine. And anything we are yet to see? No, we have majority things we have already seen. So we have the date, the day, the week specification, the region, the salesperson, the product, the category, the unit sold, unit price, the total sales, and the payment mode. Right? So this looks good for us. No other thing. I don't think anything else we can take it like as of now we want to take it. So that looks fine. So we will just take it one by one. That looks good for us. So we will just go ahead and go for the visual. So what we will be doing for visuals, we'll do Control Shift right, Control Shift down. We have selected the entire data set. Now we will go down to Insert, go down to Pivot Table, and we will go down to From Table and Range. A new object. Okay. So we have got it accordingly now. Now we have got a pivot table field up here, right? So it contains filters, columns, rows, values, and all of the column names up here. Okay. Now, what are the visuals we want to prepare? Like what visuals we want to prepare that we want to compare which field with by what, and by that we will be taking it. Okay. So here we have the total sales. So that will come down to values. And now we have, suppose I want to see the day wise sales, like how it is going down with day wise, right? So I'll go down here and I'll see here. So, right, so we have got on Thursday, the sale is around 3200, like 32,000. With Friday, the sales is 95,000. And in Saturday, the sale is like way much, that is 4,22,000 the sale is, because that it is the weekend, right? So I'll just go down here, I'll copy it round, we'll go down to design, grand total of the rows. So I don't need the row column, so this looks fine for me. Now I'll copy it, go down to pivot table. Now pivot chart I'll take, and accordingly I can take any of the chart of my preference. So bar chart looks good. Also, if I change or want to get like this type, I can get it, or a line chart also looks fine. So I think a column chart would be better. So I'll just take it accordingly. So we have got the column chart now here, right? So I don't want this, so I'll just hide it. So this total, I don't need this, I don't need uh basically this grid lines also I don't need, right? So this is the data currently that I am having. Now, if I need to change this, how I'll be doing? So this is in thousands basically. So I'll just go down here, go down to format sales, go down to custom, and I want to change this to, suppose I want 0.00 this, comma, I want it in K values. Like in thousand, the value, how I get, I'll try to get it. And let's just copy it down, Control C. Going it here, I just want to copy this, Control C. Now I want to delete it, Control V, and I want this. Okay, so this looks good to me. Now I'll say okay. So see, the data has changed accordingly. Now suppose if I am not happy with it, I want to go down here, go down to format cell, and I want only one single zero to come up. Okay. So now it looks good. So the data is coming out like that. Or we can do one more thing. We can just take it down to million format. If we are taking down to million, it is not coming because the majority data we are getting in thousands. So we'll keep it like this only, right? Or we can just commit like that. Yes, this looks good. Now I'll go. Okay, sorry, I forgot to add this. Or if I just put like this, it will give it 32 key, right? So let's take it like this. So this looks good. So 32K, 95K, 422K, right? So now the value looks good. So I have formatted it accordingly, got it like here. And this is my first visual. So I wanted to visualize the data accordingly. Like what are the name of the weekend, like the weekdays where I am getting how much of the sales, right? So this is looking fine. Uh, like it's getting better, like it's looking good better. Now I have to put it like I want to create a dashboard at the end of the day, right? Where I can visualize everything under a single space, right? So how we can do this? So we have to name this accordingly. So this is the previous one. So this we will just rename it as data. You can name it based on your understanding and your wish. And this is the analysis table. That also looks good. Now I want to create another table, and this goes this way. First, we have the data, then we have the analysis of the data, then we have this dashboard. Fine. So now we go down to view, sorry, in data maybe, just a moment. Let's see where we can get that. Okay, grid lines. We'll go down to view and we'll just off this grid line. So now this grid line is not visible now. So it's better for me to create the canvas over here for the dashboard, right? Now we'll go down to home and sorry, go down to insert, go down to shape. I'll choose a shape and I'll just draw it up here, right? So this is the dashboard. We can increase it based on the wish of us. So this is the dashboard we have created. Now we will be going down here and go to format shape, right? So I want to fill it. So I'll just fill it with some color. So we can fill it with any of the color. So let's check the code C, D, E, C, C, D, E, maybe. So this looks good. Or we can also change it based on the wish. So we have got this color. So now we will go down to more colors, custom, and we'll just lighter the color a bit. Okay. So this looks fine. Okay. Now if I had to add a line to it, so we'll just add a line. This line looks good. Yes, fine. So we have just created the background of the dashboard that we have. Okay. Now we have to create a placeholder basically for this analysis to store. Right. So again, we'll go down here. We'll create a placeholder for them. Yeah, it's looking good. We can just increase the corners or decrease the corners like this. And now we'll go down here, format shape. I want no fill. Basically, I want no lines, no solid lines, whatever be it. I'll just decrease the color a bit to this one. Oh no, doesn't look that good. So we need to do some of the experiments with the color that will look good, and accordingly we need to go. So this one is not that bad, looking good. Now I want to go for no lines. Now this is fine, right? Now I want to go down to here, go down to shadow. Here I want a shadow like this. Sorry, here basically I wanted the shadow. It has came up here. So first we need to select it. Go down here, format shape. Go down here. Now here, then here. We have got it. Or we can take it this way. That looks good. Yes. Now we can change the color as well of the shadow to the maximum dark, and the blur, transparency, distance that you can change based on your wish. Okay, if you want a reflection, so how you want it. So if in this way you want it, you can put it. So it looks good, we can keep it. Now we have to just add this table here, like this chart here. So we'll just Control C, going down here, Control V, we'll add it and we'll just structure it accordingly. Okay, right? Yes. So we'll just do some of the formatting over here. Yes, fine. So this looks good. Now we have to just do the formatting over here. Format chart area plot. Now here we will be using no fill. Sorry, here no no fill and no lines. So it looks here like this. Just a moment. Okay, fine. So format chart area, I want no fill. I want this color only, no lines also. So this is how it will look. Also, I want here a black line to get it better. So the line, I want a solid line and I want the line to be this color, right? And here I want the labels, data labels. Yes, that looks good. And this I actually don't want, so I'll delete it. And I can increase it accordingly. Okay, right? So this is how my chart looks now. And if I want to just color or change this, that also I can do. So I'll go down here, I'll go down to gradient field, and I'll just delete this one and this one as well. And I'll add a color to it, orangish color here. And in the lower, we can add this brick color. Okay, sorry. This I want orangish color, and this I want to be this color. So looking good. So we can keep this. And going down here, we want to adjust the width. So we have got, we can just adjust the width accordingly. So not a bit more. Yes, this looks good. Now here we have this. So we can just change this, we can just adjust. And I have just increased it and I'll just give the font as semi bold and I'll just decrease it. It looks good now. For this also, we can just increase it a bit and we can just use it as bold. For this, we can just change, we can use the normal Calibri. That looks good. We have the numbers accordingly. The ligands are like the outlines, like the data labels are doing good for us, right? So we have got it accordingly. Also for this, if we want to change it, so we can take it to 180 degrees. I guess 90-degree looks good, so I don't want to change it. So I'll just do it likewise. So this looks good. Now we can do other changes as well. Like here also, if we want, we can just add any of the values. Like we want to add any like in case of values, if we want to add any of the series name or category name, that also we can do. But as of now, this looks good to me. And here also, if we are going, if we want any of the color to put that we can put or any of the lines that we can put. Suppose if I want to put any solid color over here and I want to highlight it with this color. No, that doesn't look good. Not bad as well. We can keep it. So that is good. Like we want to just keep the color a bit lighter, maybe. Yes. Okay, so this is the data we are getting for this. Now going down to analysis again. Now we have done the analysis for this, right? So we'll just copy this down and paste it like this, right? And before that, what analysis we have made here? So we have got the daily sales, right? We have got the daily sales. So we'll just merge it down center. Now we can just increase it and give it bold and we'll give a color to it. Uh, yeah, that looks good. And we'll just give a this. So this looks good. Here also we want to give a specific title to the chart. So for that we'll go down to insert to shape. Here we'll add it like this and we'll give the name as daily sales trend. Okay, so we have done this. Now we will just go down here. We will just make it Stagio UI semi bold. Now we want to this if we want to increase, we can increase it. 12 looks good. Now we will what we can do else we will go down to shape format. In fill, we will be keeping no fill. And in text, we will be giving no outlines and we'll give the insert, go down to home and the color we will be giving as uh, black, right? So this looks good. This haven't changed. Just a minute. So we'll change it to no fill. Why it is not taking? Okay, just a moment. Okay, let's just do it here. Uh, Fine. I guess the text has been taken. Wait. Shape format we can do, right? Just a moment. Okay, shape fill we have. We'll go down here. The shape outline we have will go down here, right? So now we will be taking it down here and it's looking good now. Yes. Basically, that was text. field and text outline. So that is the case. So now we basically need to do the shape one. So text field, or we can just change the color as well. Any of this color maybe. Uh, just a moment. Going down here, we have this color. We can use it, any of the effect if we want to do it this way or this way we can do, but this looks good. Nothing fancy, so this looks good. Now, if we're going down here, we have done the daily sales. Now, here we want to do this, we will be deleting. Now, we want the weekend specification. So, we'll just drag and drop it, and here we will remove it, right? So, this looks good. I wanted the weekend specification, and now I'll go down to pivot chart, go down here. I want a pie chart, and I'll click it. Right? So we have got it like this. We'll go down, remove the fields. Okay, sorry, Control Z. So I wanted to remove, like hide all of the buttons. This I want it in the ligands, basically. Ligands I want, but in the top. Total, I don't want. So coming down to data labels, let's see, we want this outside, it's look good, fine. We can take it like this. And now here we'll go down to dashboard. Now here also we need to create a placeholder for them. So Control C, Control V, the placeholder is ready. Now we are getting it and we want to put this here. Control C, Control V. Yes, this is how we want to do it. Now go down to format, go down to shape fill. I'll fill no fill and shape outline, no outline. Right? This looks good. Now here, if I am going down here, I want the ligands, the data labels, more option if I want. I want the percentage as well. What is the percentage that we are getting? Right? So this is how we are getting it. Now, I want this to be this, and if I want to just increase it a bit, like this, so that we are getting it in a single place. And I want to just take it this way. Yeah. And this I want to increase, like take it here. Okay, fine. Now we can just change the color or whatever we need. The angle we can just change as well. This is how we want to put it. So not bad, not bad. It looks good to me. Or we can just put it like the first way round only, the angle, like how we have kept it. So this was also fine, no worries. Now we have to just go ahead with the feeling this accordingly. Now we want a solid fill, and I want a color like this basically, and this I want gradient field. This looks good. And this also if I want here gradient field, and I want to change it to bluish, and this one too, or okay, this one too, this one. Okay, so this is how we can take it. So this is the weekdays and this is the weekend specifically. So we have got it likewise. Or if you want, you can just make it a bit like outside also. It looks a bit better. And this also you can just make it a bit better here, or you can just take it like this. So this looks good. Now for them, if you want go down here, want some shadow, so you'll add some shadow up here. And also for them as well, you can add shadow so that they just increase the depth basically. Yes, this is how we have created. So here also we will be adding a bit up like this looks good. We will be just adding up with the same label like this. So controls, this will be putting like this, control C, control V, going down here, and we'll add change it to weekly trend, we can say weekly sales trend, right? So we have got it like this. Now we want to just see how we can get about the details of other analysis we can make. So this is weekly trend. So now we will just add, we'll just add the same formatting as this have. So format painter, this we have created it like that. Now the next one we will be creating. So we'll copy it, paste it down here. Now here we want to see the top 5 salesperson. So we'll go down here, we'll remove this. So this is the top 5 salesperson that we have got. Uh, like this has basically 4 persons only. So there is no option of taking like this. So we can just move it down. So more options we have. Either we can do it like that, or we can do some more values filters. We can take it to top 3. Okay. So we have got the top 3. Now we have to do the chart basically. So we can take a bar chart, like the column chart, this one. Again, we will be just hide all chart buttons. This don't want, this we don't want, this don't want, this don't want. We want data labels, right? So this is that. We'll go down here, Control C, go down here. We'll just copy. Okay, sorry. Control C, Control V. We'll just put it here and we'll put this. This doesn't look that good. Like the clarity is not that clear. So we'll just go here again. We'll copy it, paste it. Sorry, guys. Okay. So we'll just decrease it. Like we need to just adjust it accordingly. Yes, fine. So again, we'll just go here, go down to format chart area, no fill, no lines, like this. Again, for them, we will go down here, go down. No, this looks good. I want to change for this only. Yes, that looks good. And I want to change this. I want to go down here. This looks good. This one I want to change, and I want to just go down here basically gradient field, and this one is 90. Now I'll change it to 180. Now this looks good. For this, I want a black line, so I'll take a solid line and we'll change to black. Also for them, I want a shadow that will give the depth. So this is the shadow we have added. Now it looks good. Also, we can give a color to it as well, like a specific color. So we can use a solid color. And let's take this one. Yeah, this looks good. So this is the top three salesperson. So here we'll take go down here, Control C, Control V, take it here and add top three salesperson, right? We have got the daily sales, the weekly sales, the top three salesperson. Now again going down to analysis. Here we will be adding top three salesperson. Yes, that looks good. Now here we'll go down here, format painter, this, right? So we'll just add it accordingly. So this one is specifically like we'll add one more here. And this is specifically the column for this. So we'll just add it like this. For this also, we'll just decrease it and we'll add a line like this so that it can be accordingly understandable. Like this is for the specifications. We'll put it like this and we'll put a line like this. Okay. So now the analysis part is clear. Now we're going down to dashboard. We have the daily sales trend. We have the weekly sales trend. We have the top three salesperson. Now going down here or here, we have what we have left. We have the category with the product, which is the top product, top three product maybe that we want to see. Again, the same thing here. We have to go copy it out. Coming down here, paste it. Now here we have to just take it. Okay, just a moment. Okay, it's not coming. Going down to pivot table, field list. We have got it. Now we want the product and the total sales. We have got around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. So I want all of them to be here. So product wise, it is going. So no worries with that. Now I'll go down here. I'll go down to a chart and yeah, this chart looks good. So I'll just take it. Yes. Now Control C we will be doing here. Now here Control C, Control V. We have got it like this. Now we will be just Control V. This one we will be put. Yes. Now going down to picture format. Okay, it has came up as a picture. Sorry for this. So we'll go down here. So we'll just take it. Control C, Control V. Okay. Sorry. We have to take Control C, Control V. Now, Control Z. Like this, we will be taking. Yes. So this I don't want. This will kill the chart area as well. So I'll remove it. Yes. Now going down to format, shape fill, no fill. What's the issue? Going down to format, shape fill is no fill. Why it is taking like this? Just a moment. It is fine, but what about this? Okay, let's take it this way. Yeah, now it's fine. This looks good. I want data labels. This this is fine. Now for the data labels, I want to change it to UI semi bold and I want to decrease it a bit. Yes, that looks good. Now I want to just change the color. For that, I want to go down here, format chart area. Now this, basically I want a gradient field. This one is fine. And I want to change it to 270. Or we can take it to 90. That is fine. Now we want to just width, we want to just decrease. Yes, a bit more. Yes. Okay. Now, what else we can do? This looks good. Good. We can add the shadow. Yes, we can. We have added the shadow as well. Now it also looks good. If we want to add the outlines, that also we can do. The border, basically. Okay, just a moment. I'll just do it. Yes, a solid fill, or I want a white border that I can do. And for that, I can just increase it as well, like that. Yes, like that we can do. For them also, we can add borders. This one, and I want to change it to this. Yes, it is giving a depth actually, right? So we'll go down here, we'll go down to border, solid, this color, and we'll just add it to one like this. Yeah, this is going good as of now. Now for this, it is the products, sales by products. So we'll just add the title. So we'll add products by sale. product by sales. We have got it like this. Now we can add some of the KPIs. So we'll add some of the KPIs. So for this, before going there, we need to just take it this and this. Sorry, this. We need to take it this and this. Now go down to format, alignment, align to the top and allowing to the top. That's fine. Again, going down this and going down this. Go down here, align to bottom. So it has taken accordingly. So it is now going good. Uh, Now here that is done. Now we will be adding a bit KPIs to this. Mhm. So we'll insert, we'll go down here, we'll add one, okay, add a field like this. Yes. Now here we'll go down to format shape. We'll add a solid color like this one. Here we need to change it to this one. Okay. Or this one. No. Let's change it to this one only. But this is actually the same color. So we'll take it this one only, the same one. And we will just add shadow to it, right? Now we will just control C, control V. We'll add another like this. And we'll just increase it a bit so that we can just take like this. Yeah. So in KPI, basically what we are doing, we want to get the analysis, like what is the top sales and what is the understanding that we are getting over the KPI that we want to put it, like top sales and the average sale. As of now, we will be putting like this because we don't have major fields to check overhead. So as of now, we will be adding the top sales and the average sale. And over the time when we will be going down and working with the data that is way more bigger and directly down from the internet, then we can just take it accordingly, right? This is the normal data that I have prepared for just for making you understand. So here we will be adding that is product wise, product by, sorry, product by sales. Okay, fine. Like here going down, format painter, this one, it's done. So here we will just do it and we'll just add it like this. Now here again, I'll just copy it down, paste it down. Now here I want I want to get the total sales. So I have got the total sales here. Now I want the total sales, or I want the sum of total units sold. This is giving me 0. Why? Let's get the count. Okay. So count is also giving me 0. Why? I don't know. Let's just check it. Okay, let's just go here. We have got the units sold, so we can just count it down, right? So we can count that, no worries with that. So this is the total. So now I want, this is good, doing good. Now here we can check for what we can check for more. We can take it again. And here in this place, we will be adding the average one. Okay. So we have got the average sales accordingly. Now here, if we are taking the unit price, so what is the average unit price that we are getting, that we can also put, right? So we will be going ahead with the total sales and the average unit price. That is good to go, right? Now here we what we will be doing, we will be just putting this here in this frame. So for this, we will be just going down Control C, Control V. We will put it here, but we'll just do the formatting over there. First, we will have to just change it to uh, total sales, right? So this looks good. Yes. And here we will be going like this. Average per unit sales, right? So here, uh, okay, okay, we will need to just decrease the size to 10 maybe. Yes, yeah, fine. So here that needs to be also updated to 10. Yes. So we'll just do a bit formatting over here. So we'll just go down to top line, go down to horizon. That is not available, but that's okay. So we have got it accordingly. Like this is fine. Now we will just need to add the values here, right? So for that, we will be again going down here, and here we will be adding equal to, and here also we will be adding equal to this. But when we will be coming down here, so it is not in the range, right? So we need to understand it and we need to change it. So we'll just go down here. First, we will be just putting here like this. Going down here, we need to just make it come outer sum of the total sales. Just will add this here, and the average unit price that we will be adding up here. Now this we want here, so we will just press equal to this and enter. Also we'll press equal to and this and enter. But it has lost the formatting, so we'll just copy it down. Where is the format sales? Custom now will go down to get, yes, this one we have taken. Okay. Now it has taken it like this. So now we will just take it there. So here we will be using equal to, and going down here we'll take this and enter OK. So it has came accordingly. Now here we will be adding it. Okay. Now we have to just do the formatting over here. Shape fill, no fill, outline, no outline. So now we need to go in home and increase it, and need to go here and need to use this one, right? And here we will be going format shape. Here we will be adding a kind of transparency. We will be decreasing like this, and see this is like this, or we can just increase the transparency a bit. Transparency, let's increase it like this. Yes. Okay, fine. So it looks good. We'll take it here and we'll just put it. Right? So we'll just change the color as well. The color to this, right? Or we can just change the color of this to something else also, because uh, that is okay, but I want more colors and I want to just get a bit darker of it. Okay, so this is the color we are putting as of now. Here, the same way we will be going down here. We will be taking this. We will be just putting equal to, going down here, enter. We have got it. So we'll just go here, format painter this. So we'll just take it here. Okay. So we have got the values accordingly, like this. So we'll just take this like this. Accordingly, just take this one as well. So the gap is more. So if you want, we have to just take it likewise. Like if we are taking this, then we have to just take this as well. Also about this, making them like go up. Yes, like this, we have to adjust each and everything so that things are clear and more visible. Like this, we will be putting. Also, we will be adjusting them like this. We will be adjusting like this. We will be adjusting it, right? So now majority of the things are done. We just need to add the color is also of this is not taking. So we'll just take the color to something else, a bit this oriented color, but I want custom of it. Oh, okay, sorry. We need to format Sorry, going down to fill colors and this going down to more colors, and I'll just adjust it to this. Yeah, a bit better, I guess. So this is how it is looking, or the color I am not liking anyhow. Let's just change it the color. Mm, maybe this color, but a bit lighter to it. More colors, a bit lighter like this, or a bit darker. No. Okay, fine. Like, okay. But it is becoming a same color itself. Just a moment. What color we can pick? Too bold. This looks not bad, not good also. Let's change it to a rustic color like this. Okay, this looks good as of now, better than the other ones. So we'll keep this one only. Or we can keep that previous pink color only. That also is fine. That was looking, I guess, a bit better. Yes, this is fine. Now we had to add the slicer. The major task is done. Now this here we need to put it as KPI. So KPI is basically the key performance indicator. So we had to do it like this. Okay, sorry. Control Z. Format this. I want to go for format printer for this. Fine. So this is fine. Now we had to just put it inside a box, and this also need to be adjusted accordingly so that it can be easily understandable that we have taken it down for better like for taking it down to the dashboard, right? Right. So this is how we have prepared it. Now we need to just add the slicer. Now taking it down here, we want we'll go here, we'll add a slicer. I want the slicer based on region, category, and the D. Okay. So we have add the slicers accordingly. So we'll just take it here, here, and here. Now we will just go here and go to report connection, and we'll add the report connection to all. So 4, we have got the report connections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, got it. Again, for this, we'll report connection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this report connection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. We have got it all. So again, we'll check the report connection for this. I have a idea like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we will copy this down and put it to the dashboard. Here, we'll add like this, like here. And we can go down to slicer. We can add it to this as well. Yes. And we can add the color as well like this so that it matches accordingly. Now coming down to the second one, the region one, Control C, Control V. So we'll keep it like this. Slicer will add the color and we'll take it to, no, We'll take it to 2. So this we will just take it like this. And finally we have this one. Control C, Control V. So we'll put here Control V. So we have the accessories like this. So we could have taken based on region as well. So just a moment, we'll just try to adjust all of it at one place so that things are easily going. So going down to slicer, add the field like this, and we can just take it the region as well. Here we'll add it based on the region as well. Here coming down to pivot. Here based on region. Okay. So we have got that as well. Okay, region wise we have already taken, sorry. So what else we can take? Uh, Going down here, we can take the payment mode as well. Payment mode. Yes. Now we will go for report connection. We'll check for all. Okay. Now we'll just copy this, paste it down. Okay, by this way, we have to get it. Slicer, I want 2, 3, that's fine. It looks good like this, right? So we have the dashboard ready. So here we basically need to add the content like this. That will be added. Sorry, Control Z. I'll add a text box that will say sales dashboard 2025. That I want to take it in the middle and want to increase the size like this. Want to give this color. Okay, no, not this one at least. This one looks good. And I want to just put it like this and want to, yeah, that looks good. Format shape, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Now this is what we have. And the color we can change as well because not looking that good. So the color we can keep it this, right? So it is going like this. Now let's check accordingly. So if I am going for Saturday, how the data is changing. So it is weekend, so 100% sales, the products, how on the weekends, how the products are getting, that we are getting the average sales per unit, that is not there, but the total sales are going like this. If I am just taking this Friday, that is, it is also changing. For Fridays, the per unit sales, we are getting this. Saturday, we are getting this. Now, just let's do it for region wise. So, South, the region wise, the data is like this. For East, the data is like this. The West, sorry, north, the data is like this, and the west, the data is like this, right? Now for categorical electronics, the data is this. The accessories, the data is this. And coming down to the payment mode, if I am choosing card, we are getting the salesperson that is 75% daily sales that is going around 75K, and majority is going down on weekends. And for accessory, sorry, for UPI, if we are taking UPI, it is going like this 5K, and for cash, there is no such major data that we are getting. So we are not getting major data up here, right? So taking down for UPI, okay, previously I was allocated with the category as well, forgot to switch that off. So now only for card, this is the case, cash, this is the case, UPI, this is the case. Now, if I am taking it down only for the East with UPI, this is the range. If I am taking to UPI with West, this is my data. So this is a full interactive dashboard that we have prepared from the data accordingly coming down to the proper dashboard. So this is how we have to create an entire dashboard from scratch. So we will be seeing how we can create it accordingly using the data like the data set that we are getting usually from Kaggle or any other website. From there we will be going coming down with the data. We need to do the pre-processing over the data and then finally need to prepare the dashboard. So this is the basic dashboard that we have prepared from this data. So the data is very small. Just to make you understand how it works, I have created it and eventually done the analysis accordingly, and we have created the dashboard based on it. So this is how you need to prepare the dashboard, like an interactive dashboard using the data. Okay. So hope the things are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me. So as of now, for today, we can just wrap up the session today here. If any doubt, kindly come down to me for further assistance, and we will be just discussing over it again. Okay. So thank you guys. And in the upcoming sessions also, we will be seeing how we can create much better dashboard from scratch. Okay. So you'll be getting it learned in the upcoming sessions as well. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining the session. We'll connect in yet another session that we will be having. So thank you, everyone. Bye. Good night.